Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to solve doctorx multiversex address completely. Let's get started. So we're going to open our doctorx now. Doctorx, if you not solve this multiverse address, let me show you. I'm going to go to home. This now we're not going to be able to connect our wallet. You can just click on this. Once you click on this, the next thing you're going to do is going to take you directly to there. The site, or okay, the app. So now let's wait for it. We're going to successfully complete it now. So that's for us to be able to verify. Now click on agree, then click on start. Now the next thing to do is we're going to input this verification code. This the first one is on some waves. We're going to put verification on some waves. So what I need to do is I'm going to go back and go to your waves and go and copy the verification code on your waves. It's very easy. So guys, if you haven't know how to download your wave and register, you can search you can check or search for the video on our channel. Everything is there. So I'm going to follow the Twitter here. It's going to take a little long process, so let's just quickly do it. And after that I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back, then click on verify. Okay, after that I'm going to click on close, and this is how you're going to do it. So how to get it now, click on this. Once you click on this, you're going to see your click on this, we're going to see our verification code. Okay, so I'm going to sorry for that guys, I'm going to click on the settings to be able to go and copy my file. This is the verification code. Just click on copy, click on copy code. Once you copy the code, go back to your doctorx. Just minimize and go back to your doctorx. You can see, just click on your doctorx. I'm going to paste the verification code there. I'm going to paste it. Sorry for that guys, this is going to take a little process, so let's just wait for it to finish. So I'm going to paste. I can see it has paste, and click on mark as complete. You can see after that it's going to ask you for your call fluent verification code. So what I need to do is I'm going to minimize and open my call fluent. This is your call fluent. Click on it. Once you click on the call fluent, we're going to get the verification code on call fluent too. So let's wait for it. Sorry guys, it's going to take a little process, but we must follow it and do it. So follow the Twitter too. You are going to do the same process as we do on the sound waves. So click on follow. After that, minimize, click on verify, and click on close. So next you need to do is click on this your profile. Once you click on your profile, click on your settings. Once you click on your settings, the verification code, just copy it, copy code. Then let's go back to our doctorx. Click on your doctorx, and we're going to click on this, paste it there. You can see once you paste it, mark as complete, and that's the next one. The next one is send. So we're going to go back to our send now. Go to your send. Once you go to your send, open it. Once you open your send, we need to do the same process for our send. Click on follow us. Once you click, then you follow, then you go back, click on verify. Now let's wait for it. Click on follow. You can see we are follow. So just go back, click on verify, and click on close. And after that, click on this. Once you click on this, click on settings, click on your settings, then click on the verification code, click on copy, Okay, so now go back to your doctorx. Go back to your doctorx. Oh, let's see. Okay, this is it. Click your doctorx. Now we're going to paste the verification code here. Paste it there. Click on mass as complete. And the next thing is we're going to our crypto mayor. Okay, so open your crypto mayor. Do the same process for crypto mayor. Now follow on X. Then click on follow. After that, go back. You go and verify that you follow. Click on close. Click on your profile icon here. Click on your settings. Click on settings. Click on the verification code. Copy the code and go back to your. This is the Chrome. Open it. The next thing you need to do is paste your verification code of the crypto mayor. Paste. Click on mark as complete. Now we're going to verify. We can see everything has been tapped. Then click on verify. So they have to verify it. So let's wait for it to verify finish. Let's wait for it. Okay, minutes, some seconds. So you can see. And now we have verified. You can see it's very easy. Click on continue. And then now you can see it is very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.